Hello and welcome to Nocoding app tutorial. Nocoding app is an app that allows you to easily create a VTU website or app for your data business. With that being said, let's dive in. So the apps you'll be needing are 4 in number. First, you need Google Chrome browser, you need Google Play Store, you need the Nocoding app, and you also need an app tester by SamoraBot. You also need 2 email accounts, one to create the app and the other for testing the app. So the first thing you need to do is to install Nocoding app and register on the app. So you move to your Play Store. When in Play Store, you search for Nocoding app. Nocoding. Yes, and then you install it. Shouldn't take long, and once it installs, you open the app. Good. So once you click on open, you can click on register now. Just need to include a few details, that's your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, and then you create a password. So I'm already a registered user. All I need to do is log in with my email and the password that I created. So that's it. Once that is done, I can easily log in. Great. So I'm going to input my PIN, which I created when I registered, and once that's been done, I can proceed. So once your registration is complete, the next step you need to do is to create your app. Once you log into Nocoding app, the homepage is going to be like this. If you click on the green fund wallet button, it's going to give you a variety of options through which you can fund your wallet, because it costs 5,000 naira only to create an app on Nocoding app. So I've funded my wallet with 5,000 and I'm creating an Android app whose name is Kali Data, and the email and the password has been created already. Once I click on create, my app has been created, and that's all. That's all that needs to happen. Easily creation, no coding, no stress. Okay, so once I click on my app, it's going to show me the list of actions I can take for the app ID, downloading the app, or managing the app, which leads us to our next step. The next step is to manage your app. So you click on manage your app, you copy the link that you're given, and this is where we need our Google Chrome browser. So once you head on to Chrome, we are going to paste the link that we copied from the Nocoding app. So what the app manager allows us to do is to customize everything we want in our app. If it's the logo, to upload the logo, to set up our login variation for any of our clients that will be using the app, and so on. So now we're going to paste the link, and once we paste it, it leads us to the manager. In order for us to log into the manager, they sent a security code to the app that you used, to the email that you used to create the app on Nocoding. So then we will have to go into our email app and check for the security code that was sent. Good. So once that is done, I'm going to the email that is receiving the code. That's the one I used to register for the app. Good. So once I'm in that email, I'm just going to copy the security code and paste it on the app manager so I can log in and customize whatever I want to do on the app. Good. So I'm in, and here's the code. All I need to do is copy it and back to Chrome browser. I'm going to paste the link, the code I mean, on great. So I'm pasting the code. Once that is done, I can then proceed. It leads me directly to where I can manage and set up whatever I want to on the app. So this is the name. The user sign up is enabled. What I need to do now is to change this contact number to mine, and once that is done, I can go on doing what I want to do. Good. So once you've updated your number, the next step you need to take is to upload your logo. Look at the task there to complete. But the most important one, for the sake of time, is to upload your logo. That link you saw, we're actually going to come back to it. So once we click on upload our logo, we'll click on upload new logo. You check for the picture you want to use as your logo, then you upload it. Note that the picture you want to use for the logo must not be more than 200 kilobytes. So you can reduce the image to that size before you log in. So I'm in my gallery and I'm looking for the picture I want to use as my logo. Where is it? I'm just using a random picture actually. Yeah, that's it there on downloads. I've clicked on it, and once I select it, it's going to upload. Yeah, so then you click on the upload button beside the logo. Good. Once that is done, it's going to automatically upload. Good. Logo is updated successfully. You go down to save changes. Good. Okay, I can also customize my color, the color theme in my VTU app. Good. So I'm changing mine to blue. Once that is done, I click on save changes and it automatically updates. So the next thing I need to do is to test the app, and doing that we'll need to go to the main dashboard where that link that was before will appear again. And once that link appears, here it is, we copy the link. Good. Once we copy the link, we'll go to Google Chrome, to the search bar, and then we paste the link there. The link is actually to install the app. Good. So once you go, you install the app. Actually, the app cannot be installed because it is not yet ready, and this is why we need the app tester. So the app tester enables us to see actually how our app looks like before it is actually ready. So then we click on install now. Once you click on install now, that directs us to Google Play Store. Yes, my app tester by Samora, but you click on install and once you click on install, you open it. Once it is done installing, you open it. So the app is installing. You wait for it. It's installing. Alright, so here it is. It's installing. Once the app is installed, you click on open. Good. So we click on open. It leads us directly to the app. While the app loads, wait for the app to load. Alright, it's loading. So once it loads, to test your app, you click test now. To test the app, you actually need your app ID. If you remember, in Nocoding app, among the actions, there is copy app ID. So we are going to click on test now. Once you click on test now, we are going to need the app ID. Good. So we've clicked on test now. It's showing the space for the app ID. All we need to do is we go back to Nocoding app to copy our app ID. Okay, so we are in Nocoding app. We click on our app, which is Kali Data, and once we click on it, we click on copy app ID. We press copy, and then we go back to the app tester. Good. So now that we are in app tester, we can paste the app ID that we copied in the space that is required for it. Okay, so here it is. We paste the app ID on it. Okay, so we paste it. Then we open app tester, and it leads us directly into the app. So what testing the app entails is that we will now register ourselves as a user using the other email that we have. So we click on open, and then we click on register now. So this is actually the app that we created now. We just want to register as a user on the app. So we are going to click on register now. So when clicking on register now, we input all our details: your first name, Callistus, your last name. Then you will now use the email that you want to use to register as a user on your app. Not the email you used to create the app, the second email. You can look at the difference. Alright, so that's it. So then you input your mobile number and you create a password for using the app. And once that is being done, good, your registration was successful, so you can log in now. So you put your email and the password you created for the email. You click on login. So what this will require is that they will send an activation code to that email that you used to register on your own app. Then you go to the Gmail app and copy the code and paste it here. So I'm going to the Gmail app to get the code. So now we are in the Gmail app and I'm going to get the code from the second email. Once I click on it, it leads me straight to the code. Yeah, that's it. And my activation code. That's it there. 3. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. So that's it. 33813. Yeah, so we click on copy. Once we click on copy, we go back to the app tester and then we paste it there. That completes the registration for us. Then we can now see the app. Yeah, great. So now I'm going to paste it and click on activate. So that completes my registration as a user on the app that I created. Then I'll set a pin to use my account. I'll just write any pin I want. Then I'll click on proceed. Once that pin is done, then yeah, so this is app. So you can see how beautiful and organized and user-friendly the template is. You don't have to go through the stress of coding all this by yourselves. You can just look at this, but you can actually customize anything you want to customize later. You can see that the theme color is blue just as we set it. So look at our ready-made VTU app with a user-friendly interface, all done in the background by Nocoding. So this is why you need to install Nocoding app. Thank you for watching. Thank you.